Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hadeed, and in this tutorial we will learn about what type of installation should we do and how to install Ubuntu in your system, in your laptop, and what are the options and the facility available, we can install with USB bootable, or we can install through virtual installation. It's depend upon your laptop specification. uh, let's move on practically. First of all, we have concept of learn about the concept of virtualization. Virtualization is the technology that enable the creation of virtual mean online. As we listen in our daily lives, we have a virtual meeting today. Virtual mean online, rather than actual. As we meet face to face, we meet online version of something, such as a hardware platform, system, operating system, OS, storage devices, or network sources. uh, Virtually, we can represent, and it's allow multiple OS or application to run simultaneously on a single physical machine, often referred to as a host, without interfering with each other. We can use the virtualization technology in the Linux through virtual boxes and the virtual machines. We can install the Ubuntu in our Windows machine also. Let's start how to install the virtual technology on our Windows machine. The most popular way to install run Linux on your computer is dual booting. I mean, you can use both Windows and Linux. You can both when you on your PC, it will ask you in which operating system you want to go. If you select Ubuntu, then it will move to Ubuntu OS. If you select Windows, then it will move to Windows. My laptop is also on dual booting. As uh, I have tell you about virtual technology. Linux has a VM inside and other operating system. Uh, 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 VM, virtual machine inside OS. Uh, we have some software we can install and run on our Windows machine, the Linux, through virtual technology. In the window level, we have to first of all enable the virtual technology from the our boot menu. In the from then we have install. Let's start practically. Search about the virtual machine, VirtualBox. VirtualBox VirtualBox is hosted hypervisor for x86 virtualization, developed by Oracle Corporation. Then click on this downloads. Then select which operating system you want to install. If you have want to install a Windows, I have also Windows OS. Then click on this. It will automatically starting the VirtualBox machine. Then move on for the other installation. Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a Linux distribution derived from Debian and composed mostly of free and open source software. It is very famous and used in the Linux. Very popular distribution of Linux, and widely used. The other distributions are We have uh, check here Linux. There are many distributions of Linux: Ubuntu, Fedora Linux, Arch Linux, Black, Scientific, Peppermint OS, Parrot OS, Kali, and other are used for uh, ethical hacking and for the security purposes. Let's download this Ubuntu. Download Ubuntu desktop. Click on it. Let's first of all we check what is the system requirements. I have told you, the system specification must be 4 GB system memory RAM and 25 GB of free hard disk space. Either a USB port or a DVD drive for the installer dual bootings with the USB, or we can access with the DVD. But we will move with uh, virtualization technology. Let's how to install. To install, try Ubuntu desktop. Download the ISO image. It is the first one. We use this step with the VirtualBox, and the other option is create a bootable USB. The second option is for the users who have less specification in the computer, in the laptops. For the users mm, have less memory, and they have completely installed Linux. They no need to install with VirtualBox, because they don't have space and memory. If they download in the VirtualBox and iOS image run, the system will hang up. Let's download it. Click on this. Education. I think it's have started download. I have already downloaded. I am for the learning purposes telling you how to download. The method of it will take time according to your internet speed. You have to wait for this. Let's move on and install the VirtualBox first of all. Click on yes. Then next. Then custom setup. It says in which location the VirtualBox setup files will be saved. You can change your location, but it is okay for me now. uh, Network interface warning: installing will be reset your network connection, temporarily disconnect you from. Okay, yes, and install. I hope you will do with me. Install on your PCs and gain practical knowledge with me. Let's move on and install uh, at the Ubuntu machine. I have already set up many machines. Let's click on the tool. You will see this interface just, and click on add, and then he's asking which virtual machine you want to open. No, you have to install new machine, new, huh. Click on new, sorry, write the Devops MLops cloud computing course. iOS image. iOS image is the image you have installed your Ubuntu image. It is my path of Ubuntu image. I have select this. I have other Linux distribution image, parent security. It is the parent Linux distribution, but we will learn the and work on Ubuntu. You have select if other path from the, if you have on other location, you can select from this, from click on this. Okay, I have select this, and click on next. Vmbox user, my name is Hadeed, my password is, let's move on. It's want one CPU and base memory is 2 GB. If you have 2 GB base memory and one CPU, it will install. It is recommended hardware. Next, and 25 GB according to the requirements. It is must 25 GB hard disk space. It's complete setup. Double check this. Base memory is 2 GB and 25 memory. One CPU processor will be used in this machine. This memory will be allocated to the OS of Linux Ubuntu. Then it is powering up, and it will make the host virtual machine. It is running. This installation will take time. You have to install on your PC, and I hope you are enjoying with me practical knowledge. Let's I in this installation it will take time. I will some more tell you about the Linux. One of the things that makes Linux special is that it can play nice with other OS. You can run Linux alongside of other OS quite easily. The most popular installation process for installing Linux is to install a fresh installation of Linux with no other operating system in place. This allows the computer to dedicate 100% of its resources to running Linux. As we have see in the installation details, this memory is allocated 25 GB hard disk and 2 GB memory. It is allocated. The way of install Linux is dual booting. Dual booting. You want to keep an existing operating system like Windows, and you want install Linux as well. You will have what is known as dual boot system. It means you have two OS in your machine. That means that you have a PC that have use two different OS, and during the boot process you will need to decide which one you would like to boot into, as I have told you in the first. uh, Now for now, Linux as a VM inside another operating system. We are using the window. It is the window 11, and in this we have installed first of all Oracle Virtualbox like this, and in this we add new developer which now it is ready for installation. If you like your current non-Linux desktop OS, uh, like if we want a window, but would like an easy way to access a Linux desktop or run your favorite open source software, you may want to consider running Linux as a VM inside another OS. As this, in the window we have installed on another operating system VM inside another OS. There are number of ways to do this, but one simple one would be to download and install a virtual server, as we have downloaded this, and then install Linux distribution, as we have checked on Google. There are many distributions. We can install any and use the distribution for making the host software. uh, I hope you can do every say that everything that you can do with your operating system, other operating system and this operating system, you can do with Linux. This means that word processing, databases, spreadsheets, and internet browsing, emails, photo, MP3, CD players, cameras, and a lot of things that Linux has to offer on top of all that other OS don't. And most of all, the uh, most valuable thing is the most demanding and payable skill, Linux administrator. uh, this installation will take time, as we have move on and check about the Linux administrator jobs worldwide. As you see, 19,000 plus Linux administrator jobs. Day by day it is increasing. In Pakistan, 424 the next job. uh, with this you I have highly recommended that you have to create your LinkedIn account and make a best profile with your skill you have learned, and make daily posts. You have to day work practically, and share your screenshots in the LinkedIn profile you have created. There are more load of chances that any HR related to tech companies, it is expect that if you mention the Sir Baba Zohor and the Kubernetes, Docker, Linux, Devops. With hashtag you have shared your post. There are many chances that uh, you will around the community and learn from other and talk from the professionals and uh, meanwhile very chance to get a job in that field. The other option or then job is freelancing. Create your account in Upwork and Upwork freelancing platform. These are the freelancing platform. Upwork is the top one. It is the very best nowadays. Then these all I recommend you create your account in LinkedIn and Upwork. These these two are very nice and yeah, there are many chances for getting job projects and jobs and make a portfolio in Upwork and make daily posts in LinkedIn. You have done your work today. Share daily. Let's carry on, move on. It's copying file and take time. This video will be long because of installation. Installation is taking time. But we can explore other virtual machines uh, like VMware. VMware is an American cloud computing and virtualization technology company. As we have learned in this slide, virtual technology that enable the creation of virtual version of something. I hope you have cleared this concept of virtual technology. From virtual technology, we have install another operating system with the help of VM. We have it is same like Vmbox, Oracle Vmbox we have installed. The installation method of we have to write one keyword Windows 11 download now. I think it is taking time. We have check our installation. We can same work with the it's asking about for window. It is some issue in the installation of VMware, but it is it's a 30-day free trial, but it is best we have moved with Oracle VirtualBox. It is best platform for now. Let's move on and check about these and explore these outputs. SATA SATA is the assigned ports to our virtual machine, and the other is ID. It is the secondary device, and it is audio enable and audio input disable. We cannot input audio in this because it is disabled. Then other feature is adapter. There is no USB attached with this VM. Then video memory for this is 16 MB. Recording is disabled, and the execution engine is native by API. Nested paging, anaesthetic execution cap, virtualization interface. The another one is indicate the host mouse pointer is captured by the guest OS. Pointer is not captured. Pointer is captured. If the pointer will capture, it will show this blue mouse. If not capture, show this. And if mouse integration is on, it will show this symbol. And if device of pointer is captured, it will show this mouse integration feature, it will show. Then this sign is indicated the host keyboard is captured by the guest OS. Keyboard is not captured, it will show this sign, and if keyboard is captured, it will show this sign. A right click shows the currently assigned host key. This key, when pressed alone, toggles the keyboard and mouse capture state. It can also be used in combination with other keys to quickly perform actions from the main menu. Okay, good. Let's check this file. We can close this, and in the machine we can take snapshot from this. Snapshot name installation of Linux. Just taking a snapshot. It is the file manager show logs. It is the logs of our virtual machine installation. We will learn about the logging in the Kubernetes with Terraform. We can save, find, filter, bookmark, and fresh reload the logging of our virtual machine. Then we can push, reset, session information, check what is the CPU load. In the CPU load is the 70%, and VM load is network rate 1.30, received 552. Close. And keyboard integration, mouse integration, as we have checked in the symbols. Optical drives, audio input, share folder. We can also share folder with this setting. If we want from we can share window of folders to the OS. Shared keyboards, drag and drop, and the help about Virtualbox. The Virtualbox is 7.0.18 version, and it's graphical GUI, and it's affiliated with Oracle. Close it. Installation is reaching to complete. Let's move on. This video is uh, going large, some you can skip the installation uh, time and from the video and start from where we will work, because it's taking time and you I don't want you can you will bore with me. You have some practically do, and for that I have explored some other topics like freelancing, LinkedIn freelancing, and the VMware. For that you are not bored. Let's retrieving file. take very time. You can skip these steps of installation where you are feel like bore. Say shukr alhamdulillah, and installation is completed, and let's log into. We have set up our password and username. This is our Ubuntu user we have create in the first. Then click on next. Enable Ubuntu Pro. Accept some charges I think, and I'll skip for now. Next, if you want, if some, as we have learned in the last video, uh, why the Linux was created, because some user sent feedback about the this is not okay, but uh, the the people who created the Linux felt they don't want change, but the people who created their own Linux operating system, his name is Linus, uh, because he have some issues, and some, for that purpose, uh, for help improvement, this dialog box show in the Ubuntu and the Linux distribution. Now all location services will be off, and you are ready to go. Yes, I am ready to go. Open software now. Okay, done. We can install any software like VS Code for our development purposes, and Python for development purposes, OBS, VLC, and Android Studio for app development, and Postman for the API testing. Sublime is also for development purposes. Let's close this, and open a terminal in this. It will take time. We will learn more about the Linux in the next video. Thank you.